Greetings from WINNIE residents, Beau, Bassin, and Mauritius. Today I'm thrilled to showcase to you our second project, which is nearing completion in terms of grey work, and finishing will start just after, that is in 1 month time. We started construction in August 2021. This project consists of 21 modern lifestyle apartments. We have a limited number of units available. 2 and 3 beds are from 3.5 million. World-class amenities, namely a heated swimming pool, gym, 2 barbecue area, access control, electric fence, security, covered car park, mountain and sea views for some units. What do you need more? Name it, we'll have it for you. One very important aspect of this project is the location. As you well know, it's all about location, location, location in a property. It is only 5 minutes walk from the metro station on Vandermersch.